Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular designer kitchen over here in 3ds Max. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll slightly just scale a bit. I'll slightly scale this. I can push it down, and if required I can just push it in this way accordingly. So I'll convert to editable poly. Let's select this whole thing, and if required I can slightly rotate it, push it a bit inside, select this, rotate it, push it a bit inside. So select this, I'll push it over here slightly, and I'll mirror it, copy it in x-axis, and slightly I'll rotate it in this way. Now what I'll be doing over here is like, we'll create this over here. So I'll just go into this and I'll just give a glass material over here. So let's assign a glass material. So I'll just press M over here. I'll go into the material editor. Let's go into material editor. And we'll assign a glass over here. So I'll just take a V-Ray material over here. Let's go into refract. I'll just assign a glass material, and after that I'll go to the top view over here. I'll just drag it up. I'll just drag this up over here in this way. So before you give this glass material, instead of that I'll just extrude this inside. That would be much better. So I'll just extrude it inside, and then I'll put a glass over here. That would make it much better over here. So let's just put a glass over here. So I'm just placing this glass. If you want to make it a slider glass, that can also be done. So I'll just shift and drag it. So how we can create the bottles? So I'll go into this. I'll off this, enable in viewport. So let's just drag this down, push it in this way. So select the vertices and let's give a lathe modifier. So let's assign a lathe modifier over here. So select this, drag it a bit inside, so I can just push it a bit out. Let's again go over here. Let's give a fillet in this way. So let's just drag it a bit inside. So I'll just drag it in this way. So I can just push this a bit over here. I'll drag it inside and let's duplicate it. So I'll just copy this. So we'll just duplicate this over here in this way. So we do have, alright. So let's take a cylinder. Let's activate the auto grid over here in this way. So I'll go into this, slightly reduce the height, convert to poly, and extrude it up in this way, slightly scale it and extrude it, push it over here. So I can just delete this and let's give a shell modifier. So I can go over here. Let's add some shell modifier over here and convert to poly. Let's take a line. So enable in viewport, make it as radial over here, push it over here. So select the vertices. So I'll just shuffle this up in this way. So let's rotate it, drag it in this way. So I'll just mirror it in y-axis over here. So again I'll go over here and I'll take a line tool and make a tray over here. and let's give a lathe modifier. So I'll go into this and let's give a shell modifier. So go into this and select the vertices. So give a shell modifier, convert to poly, and I can go into this so let's go into this, and if you want to give turbo smooth, we can add some turbo smooth over here as well, and place it in this way. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.